Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. So you people should have in your hands the textbook of English 2. So here is the study plan for chapter number 1st of class 2. We have divided our chapter in 4 parts. There are 4 lectures. The first lecture will be emphasizing on the grammar portion, which is the arrangement of sentences along with the choosing of noun. The second lecture is on what? On reading of the chapter number 1 and its comprehension. The third lecture will be on the making of sentences and completion of the missing letters. And the fourth lecture will be the recognition of sounds of SHO or CHO that are digraphs. So swiftly moving towards our first lecture, and we have the lesson 1, which is mercy to all creation. But before going to start the chapter, we will be moving towards our grammar portion. Now, we have to arrange these sentences, and do not forget to use the capital letters and full stops. You people already know that what does it mean. Whenever we have a sentence, its first letter should be what? Should be capital, and full stops are always used at the end of a sentence. This is the basic rule. So our first example is am good, I boy are. It doesn't sound like a good sentence. Here, what are the mistakes? So we should have the idea of the capitalization of the letters and full stops. Now we are going to address it, and we are going to correct the statement. I good, a boy am. What happens here? I comes first. Yes, I is a capital letter. So this is good, but the sense of the sentence is not good. So this is a wrong sentence. I, a boy, good am. No. It also doesn't seems to be an accurate sentence. I am a good boy. Yes, this is a good sentence. This one is the correct sentence because you are seeing that capital letter is the starting one, and here is full stop in the last, and the sense of the sentence is also good. In the previous sentence, it is also followed that the starting alphabet is what? Capital, and here is full stop in the last, but the sense of the sentence was wrong. Our next example is and Shahir I are playing. This is again a wrong sentence. So we are going to try. Shahir and laying are I. No, this is wrong. Full stop is here, but the capital letter is also in the last, which is a wrong idea. I should be in the start of the sentence. Are Shahir and playing I? No, this is again wrong. No capitalization of the starting word. No full stop at the end. I and Shahir are playing. Now, this is a good sentence. This is the right one because I is capital. Which is the starting letter, and here the full stop in the last. So I and Shahir are playing. The next example is the I read book and I loved and I it love. This is again a wrong sentence. Not capitalization of the first letter and no full stop. How can I correct it? I read the book, it loved and I read the book, it loved and I. This is again not sounding good. Loved book I and it read I. Loved book I and it read the I. Again, this is a wrong sentence. The same is happening, not capitalization. And yes, full stop is here, but the sense of the sentence is not accurate. I read the book and I loved it. Yes, this is the right one. I starts in the starting. The letter I is in the start and it is also capital. And here is the full stop also in the last and the sense of the sentence is accurate. So the next sentence is landing an aeroplane I saw. Wrong. I landing an aeroplane saw. Again wrong. I saw landing an aeroplane. But there is not a full stop here. I saw an aeroplane landing. Yes, this one is the correct answer. So, the next one is watching my TV brother is. Wrong. Watching TV is brother my. No capitalization, no full stop. Wrong one. TV is watching my brother. The sense is wrong. How TV is going to watch his brother? TV doesn't have eyes. So the right one is my brother is watching TV. Yes, this one is the right one. The capitalization of the first letter and the full stop in the last. Now, students, coming towards our next slide. So, do you know what is a noun? Yes. Shabash. Give me answers. Do you know what is a noun? A noun is a word that could be used for a person, for a place, or a thing. For example, Ali. For example, Ahmad. What are these? These are the names of what? These are the names of the person. Doll. What is doll? It is a thing. Place. Pakistan is a place. So, everything that is around us are known as nouns. The examples are Ahmad, Ali, Pakistan, table, doll, ball, chair, book, river, etc., etc. These are called as noun. So, now we have to do an activity. So write a or an in the first blank and choose a noun from the word bank to fill the second blank. So you people have previously studied in the class 1 that how a and an is used. Remember? Yes. A is used before what? A is used before consonant sounds, and an is used before vowel sound. So we have to do it now. This is the word bank given, and these are nouns: river, night, girl, book, dress, animal, game, and doll. These nouns are given to us. So dash, cold, dash. What will be the right answer? Firstly, what should be used here? A or an? C-O-L-D, cold. Cold. Cold is not a vowel sound because the vowel sound starts from what? From the sounding of A, E, I, O, U. So cold is not a vowel sound. So here will be what? Here will be A in the first blank, and in the second blank A. Yes, cold night. We have taken the noun night, a cold night. The next one is dash, exciting, dash. So very swiftly, exciting. Exciting is what? Exciting is a vowel sound. Vowel sound. So what should be here? There should be an in the start. And an exciting game. Yes, this is the right answer. The next one is a long dash. A long dash. Yes, long is a consonant sound. That is why I am repeating a long dash. Now you are picking me up. I have straight away moved towards to fill the first blank before the long. So, a long, yes, a long river. The next one is dash, old, dash. Now, old is again a vowel sound. So, here will be what? Here will be an in the starting. So, an old dress. The next one is a clever dash. A clever dash. Yes, I am again sounding a. I have filled up the first blank with what? With a, because clever, in my opinion, clever is consonant sound. Let's check it. Yes, a clever is here. A clever girl. So we are taking the nouns from what? From the word bank that are previously given to us. So the next one is dash and trusting dash. Again, dash is what? Entrusting is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Shabash, give me answers. Give me answers. Yes, entrusting is an vowel sound. And entrusting book. The next one is dash, pretty, dash. Pretty is what? A consonant sound. That is why a is placed, and a pretty doll. So this was the exercise that we have done it from our English book to page number 7. So you have done an activity very swiftly, very soundly. Shabash. So the next one is dash, amazing, dash. Dash, amazing, dash. Amazing is a vowel sound. So an amazing animal. So here is your homework from the workbook. Write the suitable naming words against describing words by choosing from the word bank you are given here. You can take help from your classmates, from your parents, from your siblings. So, here is your homework, children. A barking dash, a slow dash, a chirping dash, a wise dash, a cute dash. You are noticing why a is used before every word? Because all of the words are sounding consonants. That is why a is used here. The next homework is you have to read the numbers and write them in words. You can also take help here from your siblings. That is O and E 1 and T W O 2 and so on. So this is your lecture first. Good luck and Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.